Hey guys, this is Mike out here at Midwest Kia, and I wanted to reach out online and let you guys know about what's going on this weekend. We're having our spring cleaning event. Now, at this spring cleaning event, there's a lot of things, a lot of pieces to the puzzle. First and foremost, we're going to be offering on all of our new cars. Now, keep in mind, we've got over 250 new cars out there on a lot. We're going to be offering double the incentives. So right now, our Forte has 1750 off on a Forte. We're going to double that to 3500. Sorrentos, they've got 2,500 off, it's going to go to 5,000. This weekend, if you were going to buy a Kia, it's time to do it right now. Get the car ready for the summer. Get it ready for the kids and the family. Now, the other thing that we've got going on is our pre-owned vehicles. So let's pull that up for you real quick. Pre-owned vehicles. We're going to be giving you 3 years, 3 years worth of maintenance on pre-owned vehicles. So your tire rotation is going to be taken care of on us. You're going to have 3 oil changes taken care of on us out here at Midwest Kia. So that's another part of the event that's going on this weekend. And if that's not enough for you, and you get to see all of our great smiling faces, but if that's not enough for you, we got one more thing for you this weekend out here at Midwest Kia. Let me pull it up. There it is. Food. Everybody loves food. So you're going to be having hamburgers, hot dogs, drinks. Come on out to Midwest Kia this weekend and see us. You can give me a call here at my office right there, 316-652-2963. Give me a call, set up a time to come out. Go look at us online at midwestkia.com. Look for some cars you may be interested in. Come out early so you can get those savings. Be the first one to say no instead of the second one that says yes, because obviously they never get the cars. So come on out here to Midwest Kia. Check us out, 8725 West Kellogg, right here at Kia Corner, West Wichita. We look forward to seeing you out there this weekend. Thank you very much. Take care.